Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make popsicles for kids using an easy method. Making delicious frozen treats at home is simpler than you think, and it's a fantastic activity for the whole family. We'll start by gathering just a few basic ingredients and some simple tools. Get ready to create some refreshing and healthy snacks that your children will absolutely love, perfect for a warm day. Now that you have your ingredients, let's prepare the popsicle mix. You can use almost any fruit. Berries, mangoes, or oranges work wonderfully. Just blend them until smooth. If your fruit isn't sweet enough, a small amount of natural sweetener like honey can be added. Remember to leave a little space at the top of each mold for expansion as the liquid freezes. This step is quick and fun. Once your molds are filled, it's time for the freezing process. Place them carefully in the freezer. After about 30 minutes, when the mixture is slightly firm, insert your popsicle sticks. This helps them stand upright. Allow the popsicles to freeze completely, which usually takes 4 to 6 hours. When they are ready, a quick rinse under warm water will help them slide right out. Enjoy your homemade treats. Don't be afraid to get creative with your popsicle flavors. Try layering different fruit purees for a vibrant look, or add small chunks of fruit for a delightful surprise. You can even swirl in some yogurt for a creamy texture. The possibilities are endless, making each batch unique and exciting. And speaking of making things easy, if you're looking to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your kitchen tidy after all that delicious popsicle making.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.